playoffs. Just two teams going end-to-end for 3 periods.
We hope you enjoy this exhibition game between the Montreal Canadiens and the Carolina Hurricanes. Anderson. Teravainen one-times it. Suzuki. Harrison jumps on the loose puck. Into the attacking zone. Offside, Montreal. Stahl won the faceoff. Moved ahead. Chatfield takes control of the puck. Dvorak moved it. Carolina picked it up. Martinook. Montempo picks it off. Dvorak. In over the line. Through center. Carolina dumps the puck in. Anderson got it. Brings it in. Netchas with the puck. Martis.
Line 4.
Carolina scoops it up. Working along the perimeter.
Line 1.
Shea jumps on the loose puck. Netchas dumped it in. Grabbed by Carolina. Dropped. Quick pass up. Netchas shoots. Blocked. He takes it back. Moved across. Over center. Wrist shot. Anderson denies him. Atford. Moved ahead. Kuznetsov takes control of the puck. New puck. Jumped off by Carolina. Through the neutral zone. Shea grabs the puck. Shoots quickly. Aho intercepts the puck. Delayed penalty coming up for Montreal. Passed across. Dost gets the loose puck. Dvorak is going to the box for hooking. Moved up, and out they come with a puck. Burns knocks the puck loose. Montreal gets it. Suzuki, one-timer from the right. Carolina takes possession. Slaps it, blocked. Aho gets pushed off the puck. Masterson. Dost corrals it. With a wrist shot, Anderson gets a leg on it.
Super pad save.
Played up. Wrist shot. Weidman scoops up the loose puck. Into the attacking zone. Savard finds the loose puck. Teravainen. With a wrist shot, Montempo stones him. Teravainen jumps on the loose puck. Slevin gets shoved. Montempo stones him cold. Burns with the puck. Kuznetsov blasts it. Savard across, passed across. Armia gets the loose puck. Dvorak has served his penalty, and that puts his team back on even footing. Savard knocked him off the puck. The ref indicates a delayed call against Carolina. Slavin takes control of the puck. Gensel has been nailed for hooking.
Carolina penalty to number 59, Jake Gensel, 2 minutes for hooking.
Ahead to the neutral zone. Advances the puck. Brings it in. Moved up. Caulfield with the puck. over center. Passed ahead. Anderson gets the loose puck. Weidman, Shea gets in the way. Moved ahead. The Hurricanes dump the puck in. Aho, now with it. One-time shot. Montembeault gets a pad on it. Out over the blue line. Moved up. Fires hard. Anderson closed the door.
That save was as pretty as they get.
Leg save by Anderson. Weidman takes control of the puck. Kotkaniemi dumps it in on the end boards. Pearson. Gensel has served his penalty, and that puts his team back at even strength. Pearson. Played back. Pearson jumps on the loose puck. Gets the shot off. Blocked. Matheson with the puck. Anderson stoned him cold. Delayed penalty call for Montreal out of their defensive end. We have a penalty called. Caulfield will serve time for hooking. Suzuki wins the draw. Cole Caulfield. Wrist shot blocked. Matheson takes control of the puck. With a wrist shot. Carolina with it now. Savard. Dost roughs him up. Brings it out. Wrist shot. Montembeault makes the AINHL scores on the power play.
They used the manpower advantage to net that last goal. Nicely done indeed.
Carolina takes the lead late in the first.
I've got a feeling the next one won't take quite as long.
Kotkaniemi takes possession of the puck. Jarvis, hard shot.
Number 20, Sebastian Aho.
Suzuki gets crushed. Jarvis gets hold of the puck. Brings it out. Quick pass up. Montreal puts its second line out. Anderson dumps the puck in. Nailed. Dvorak grabs the puck. Montreal grabbed it. Dvorak. Caulfield gets it. Shoots it quickly. Dvorak jumps on it. Offside. Montreal. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Kuznetsov won the faceoff.
The good old days are back again. Vintage jerseys now on sale at all kiosks in the arena and the main store. Pick yours up before they're history.
Jim, when two teams are this close, you'll want to start the period with jump.
Maybe some early fireworks?
Exactly. Some physical play, lots of shots. You know, something to fire up your team.
Passed ahead. Kuznetsov. Offside, Carolina. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Carolina. Pearson gets the loose puck. Aho. Shoots it. Gensel scores. Carolina now has a 2-goal lead.
They're starting this period with real authority. This is their game now.
Gensel, assisted by number 50.
Centers it. Offside, Carolina.
By number 76.
Brady, Shea. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. The face-off goes to Carolina. Burns. Savard with the puck. Anderson has it. He corrals it. Anderson moved it. Matheson gets a hold of it.
Line 3!
He has his pocket pick. Advances the puck. Delayed penalty call coming up for Carolina. Weidman. Wrist shot. There's a penalty coming up. Martinook is going to the box for hooking. The action's about to start. Aho jumps on the loose puck.
Jordan Martineau, 2 minutes for hooking.
Aho, one time, saved by Montempo. Teravainen grabs the puck. He gets laid out. He grabs the puck.
Save!
Over center. Orlov dumps the puck in. Carolina puts its number 2 penalty killing unit out. Pass to head. Centers it. Advances the puck. Anderson takes control of the puck. Suzuki, huge shot! Grabbed by Montreal. Anderson closed the door. Delayed penalty coming up.
Hooking!
Gallagher will get the gate for hooking. The puck is about to be dropped. Weidman jumps on the loose puck. He gets pushed.
Definite contact there.
Carolina dumps the puck in. Montempo hangs on for the whistle. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Weidman with the puck. Martinook comes out of the box as his penalty expires, meaning his team's now on the power play. Dvorak dumps the puck in. Dvorak. He dumps it in. Carolina scoops it up ahead to the neutral zone. For the wrist shot, leg save.
That shot didn't stand a chance.
Moved ahead, passed ahead. Up along the boards. D'Angelo takes control of the puck. Carolina wins the race and beats out the icing call. Montempo denied him. Fires. Montempo slams the door shut. Gallagher has done his penalty time, and that means his team is no longer down a man. Quick pass up. Brings it in. Slavin stops the shot.
Line 3!
Out of their defensive end. Moved ahead. Svechnikov takes possession of the puck. Gallagher. Carolina in control now. Nason into the attacking zone. Norlinder finds the loose puck. Nason.
Line 4!
Grabbed by Carolina. Martinook. Nason takes possession. He dumps it. White scooped it up. Jarvis grabs it. Shea, quick shot. Saved by Montempo. Moved up. Quick pass up. The Canadiens dump the puck in. Atford corrals it. Atford dumps it in. Montreal takes control. Over the line. Anderson. Suzuki backhands it. He jumps on the loose puck. Delayed call. Shea gets in the way. D'Angelo gets called for hooking. They're getting ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Canadiens. Shoots quickly. Anderson made the great glove save. Anderson freezes the puck. We're ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Montreal. In the corner, Anderson intercepts the pass. Masterson gets hold of the puck. Orlov. Caulfield finds it. Masterson shoots. Slavin takes it. Masterson, cannonading shot. Caulfield gobbles it up. Wrist shot. Orlov. Over the blue line. Out of their defensive end. Advances the puck. With a wrist shot.
Save!
Leg save.
That one went straight in. Scores on the power play. A big part of the power play is puck movement. That creates openings and leads to goals.
Montreal is now down by 1 after a late goal here in the second.
Let's see if they go for the equalizer before the break.
Burns
The goal was
in over the line. Svechnikov saved by Montempo. Ahead to the neutral zone. Pearson gets the loose puck. Masterson. Montreal grabbed it. Savard takes it. Montreal scoops it up. Savard. He dumps it in. Teravainen. Doc with the puck. Offside. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Stahl wins the draw. Rifles the shot. Blocked. Played up.
last minute of play in the second period.
Moved up. Shoots the puck. Montreal got it. Blocked. Shanfield takes control of the puck. Goes behind his net. Moved ahead.
And that's the end of the second period. 2 down, 1 to go.
Feel free to approach any of our arena staff. We're here to help.
We're just about to start the third period.
Jim, in a game this close, you probably won't see either team take too many chances.
Across. Armia scoops up the loose puck. Fires it. Turned away by Anderson. Pass back. Gensel shoots it quickly. Ashford gets the pass from Montempo. Quick pass up. Kotkaniemi grabs the puck. Kotkaniemi hammers Dvorak. Moved up. The Canadiens dump the puck in. Caulfield gets a hold of it. Dvorak took it. New hook. Weidman picked it up. Jarvis. Backhand turned away.
What a save off the blocker.
And they get called for icing. The face-off goal scores! And they find themselves stumbling in the home stretch.
Now's not the time to be giving up late goals. You need to get a few stops, maybe the odd man rush or two to generate some scoring.
Aho with the puck. Anderson brings it out. Montreal puts its checking line out. Pearson, wrist shot, blocked. And out they come with the puck. Into the attacking zone. D'Angelo gets the scores!
You can call it killer instinct or the eye of the tiger or whatever. Those two nailed the goalie on that play.
Advances the puck. Weidman takes control of the puck. Shanfield, Nason gets the shot off. Gallagher, he gets bumped off the puck. Montreal scooped it up. Gallagher.
Line one!
Martineau grabbed it. Delayed penalty coming up for Montreal. He's getting called for hooking. Carolina has had a firm grip on the faceoffs.
When you control the faceoffs, you control the first few seconds of action. That can make a big difference.
Suzuki with the puck. Masterson He dumps it. Slavin takes possession. Change up! With a wrist shot, turned away. Montempo scores!
The loose puck after the initial shot led to that goal. Rebounds like that are lethal to a goalie.
Suzuki won the faceoff. Gensel gets bumped off the puck. Pearson scooped it up.
Assisted by number 74.
Pearson one-timed it.
He scores!
Stahl has it now. Martinook
70.
rips it from along the boards. He picked it up. Pearson up through center. Montreal dumps the puck in. Orlov has it. Shanfield gets it.
Line 4! Line 2!
Intercepted at the blue line. Passed ahead. Nason gets checked.
He takes the hit, but he can't hang on.
Passed across. Gallagher knocks him off the puck. He scoops it up. Caulfield has it now. Shoots quickly. Kotkaniemi.
Line 3, get up there!
Dvorak pushes net shots. Moved across. Advances the puck. Shoots it hard. Burns stops the shot. Doc jumps on the loose puck. Montempo. Norlinder. Carolina puts its second line out. Up through center. Newhook takes possession of the puck. Slavin gets in the way. Moved ahead. Brings it out. Dost gets the loose puck. Along the boards. Up along the boards. Moved up. Anderson
Stabs at it. Great save with the glove hand.
Dost gets pushed. Anderson, Whiteman scoops up the loose puck. Martineau, Montempo intercepts the pass.
Scores! Terrific goal. No chance for the goalie on that one.
Net shots, gets hold of the puck. Carolina grabs it.
Suzuki assisted by
Net shots, gets laid out.
Josh
Anderson, Chartis grabs the puck.
Turned away. What a save off the blocker.
Quick pass up. Passed across. Kotkaniemi scoops up the loose puck.
last minute of play.
Suzuki advances the puck. Rubbed off the puck. Montreal takes control. Evans. Attard finds it. Evans grabbed it. Attard now with it. Martinook scooped it up. Nason shoots! Montempo stabs at it. Montempo hangs on for the whistle. About to drop the puck. Dvorak with the puck. Carolina touches up for the icing call. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Kuznetsov wins the draw. Slavin hits the post. Burns wrist shot. Oh, he missed. That's offside. The players are lining up at the faceoff circle. Centered. That's it. Carolina is the winning team.
Stellar job on the penalty kill. And that earned them the win here tonight.
That's how you play shorthanded hockey. They really executed well and took the win.
Tonight's star, Carolina Sebastian Aho. Tonight's second star, Montreal number 17, John
Anderson. From Raleigh, North Carolina, quite a town that's been host to quite a game. I'm Jim Houston.
And I'm Craig Simpson. We'll see you next time.